Hi guys, this is going to be a detailed video on CA Inter students for May 25 exams. Exactly, you are having 4 months of time for the coming May 25 exams and what you are supposed to do. There are certain points, I can say precisely 5 decisions you have to take. You have to take five types of decisions, 5 decisions you have to take. What are they? Watch the video till the end. I am giving you a comprehensive study strategy that you can blindly implement without even without even, worrying about all your schedules, programs, nothing. This 4 months strategy, which I'm going to give you, if at all you're planning for both the groups, if it is single group, just to 2.5 to 3 months only is what I require your time. 5 things that you have to decide. What are the 5 things? Point number one, decide first which group you want to write. Are you planning for both the groups or are you planning for single group? Like immediately some of you might say, sir, January attempt I'm writing one group, sir, and I want to write only balance group for the May attempt. For you also, this video will contain the answer. Sir, I'm actually registered for foundation, sir, very recently. My eligible attempt is in May. Or third category, sir, January attempt I'm not writing because of some reasons. I'm directly planning to write for the May. Whoever it is. Right now, when I'm doing this video, I'm doing this on December 31st. Advance Happy New Year, by the way. Now, are you planning for both the group or are you planning for single group? First, decide on that. You know what is the safest strategy, I tell? Whether you are planning for both or whether you are planning for single, the safest strategy, what I recommend is first take up one group. First, take up one group. Start from scratch. Start from scratch. What do you mean by start from scratch? Like, suppose, no, you might be willing to go for some coaching classes or you might be willing to do some self preparation, whatever it is. If at all you're planning for self preparation, I will tell you, my dear, only stick with ICS study material. Don't go with any other material for self preparation. Nothing, no material in the market will be helpful for self study. Only ICI material will help for self study. But if at all you're looking for coaching classes, I will talk about our Shrestha related, how what kind of content that we are giving, all that I'll come to it little while later. So first, decide both or single. You may be planning to go for both or you may be planning to go single, whatever it is, but take up one group only. When you're starting preparation, take up one group, finish all the 3 subjects in that group fully thoroughly, do revise one time, make up yourself ready in such a way. Once that group, some 2 months or 2.5 months it took for you, you are ready to give an exam that time itself. You need not even wait up to May. I'm ready to give exam, I will qualify. Once you get this level of confidence, then start preparing the other group depending upon the time available. Suppose if at all after you started single group, let us assume hypothetically it took 3 months for you, where you're only having 1 month left for the other group, where you decided, you understood that full other group you can't, then take up one subject from the other group and try for getting exemption. So whatever it is, if you are planning for both the groups or if you're planning for single group, whoever it is, the strategy is going to be same. Take one particular group. First, finish entire syllabus, coaching classes. Especially if at all you're taking classes with us, I will tell you who are the faculty handling, what kind of resources we are going to provide, because it's a May 25, new classes, new materials, everything is fantastically new. Getting it? So, so take up one group, finish at least three-fourth syllabus in each group. In each group, in each subject, finish three-fourth syllabus. What is three-fourth preparation strategy? I will come up with a separate video on three-fourth preparation strategy. So take up one group, finish three-fourth, where you will get a confidence, that yes, today if I sit and write, I will qualify group one. Then once you attain that confidence, look at the other group, look at the balance time available. Do you have sufficient time according to you? Just check out. If you think you have a sufficient time according to you, then plan for the other group. This is my answer for those who are planning for both the group. I am absolutely permitting you. I'm absolutely wishing that you write both the groups. But don't start group one, group two preparation simultaneously. Never. Take up one group, finish one group preparation, take up the other group. Simple. I'm not asking you to go only with one group. I'm asking you to go with both the groups only. If at all you're having both the groups in your mind. This is the answer for first one. Second one, coaching or self-preparation. In the market, I can honestly tell you, there is no coaching institute which is 100% justifying the students, be it offline or online. But I'm proud enough to say that we at Shrestha give you fantastic coaching, comprehensive coaching, where you can answer, you can handle any level of paper, irrespective of toughness. Exam paper might be extreme tough, but that is only for others, not for Shrestha students. Because we cover concepts in such a comprehensive way where you can handle easiest paper, toughest paper. Okay, fine. Coaching part, I'll come back to it. What are the deliverables from it? I'll come back to it. So, decide the second one is coaching or self preparation. I recommend at CA inter level, go for coaching because that will really help you. You may be a direct entry student or you may be a foundation student coming to CA inter, whoever it is. I recommend coaching. But when you're going for coaching classes, don't choose a coaching class which is teaching you shortcuts because they are not working nowadays. You can ask your seniors, everybody in and around your circle. You just inquire 10 students, ask them about Shrestha, ask them about caramharsha sir, Shrestha classes. You will get only one response: they are the best. In the CA Inter, they are the best. Then coming to books, as I always tell, go with ICS study material as a first priority. Suppose if at all you're coming for coaching with us, getting it, we have our academy related books which are 100% coverage from ICA. We give main material, concept book, we give question bank. For every subject, we give concept book and question bank. I know you're looking for coaching details. I'll come back to it later. The third decision is which books you have to follow. Then the fourth decision is never choose a test series except mock test paper. Only mock test paper you should write. You should never choose test series. There are many offers which I received for test series collaborations, getting it almost from past 2 years. I never encouraged anybody getting it because many test series are purely profit oriented. They just copy paste from randomly some past exam questions, MTPs, all that, and they design a paper and then give it to you. That is not how test series is to be done. Because nowadays, if you see ICA MTPs, ICA exam question papers, ICAI is using so clever people, getting it, where they use artificial intelligence as well as they apply their own intelligence and making question papers. Every time, now onwards, every attempt you see, the question paper questions, the case studies, they are completely new. They are not from past examination. What is important in order to succeed in exam is 100% conceptual clarity, which is what very important. It's not how many exams you write. For example, I made a video with all India rankers. In CA final, there's an all India ranker 33. Just I made a video. He has not attended test coaching. Sorry, he has not attended a test series at all, which actually ruins your preparation. First, become 100% conceptually strong. First, learn the subject thoroughly. If you still have time, that time you go for test series. I don't mind at all. But before getting 100% conceptual command, don't chase the test series, weekly test series and all. That will not help you at all. But once you cover 100% of the concepts in every subject, once you at least if not 100%, three-fourth the syllabus of every subject if you cover, and you finish all the three subjects in a particular group, once you got a confidence that yes, now I can secure 50 to 60 marks easily, then you go and write test series. That is when test series really helps you. That will not help you before you get a conceptual perfection. If at all, like some many students, why they fail in CA inter, it's not because they don't have writing practice, it is because they don't have coaching practice, they don't have conceptual practice, they don't have conceptual clarity. If at all you're having conceptual clarity, believe me guys, you are going to rock the exam like anything, irrespective. Even if you do not write mock test, doesn't matter. We all personally never wrote any mock test papers, nothing. We all qualified, no. So the only reason is because we have a tremendous conceptual clarity, we qualified. Getting it? What is important to qualify in exam is 100% conceptual clarity. You how strong you are in concepts, how strong you are in understanding the overall financial management, cost accounting, taxation, accounting, law, whatever. Getting it, audit. So how far you're having a thorough and comprehensive understanding of these subjects, deep understanding. That is what decides. Then again, the fifth decision is, sir, should I do a home preparation or should I go for study hours? Study hours, or some coaching institutes are conducting study hours, or some study halls are their private study halls. What I will tell you is, if at all you're having a very comfortable environment at home, only thing that is required is discipline. If you are able to convince yourself, if you are able to control your time, everything, and having a proper environment at home, I always recommend to stay at home and do a home preparation. Nothing to worry. We will give you timetable to you how to make yourself. We will give you a timetable for 90 days. Getting it? On how to how to hook up for 9 days for a particular group. So home preparation is best. Suppose if you don't have a proper environment at home, or you feel like, if I don't have people around me though, like if you want people around you studying so that an environment will be created, then come to study hours and study halls. 5 decisions. Once again, I'm repeating. First, decide both or single. Whether you decide both or single, whatever it is, first take up one group. Finish that group. 100% get command on that. You make yourself ready in such a way that, yes, conduct exam, I'll qualify now. Then plan for the other group, depending upon the time available. Without getting confidence on a single group, studying both the groups simultaneously, reaching to March or April month, where none of the group you are confident, ultimately writing and failing in both. Instead of that, take up one group, become perfect. If you get a confidence, you will for sure qualify. Qualifying in single group is at least better than failing in both groups. That is what I always tell. Then decide whether whether you have to go for coaching or self preparation. Which books you have to follow. Test series, what you have to follow. Getting it? I told you, it's literally test series. Don't go for it, but go for mock test. Mock test is something fantastic. Once you prepare the minimum 80%, 75 to 80% of the syllabus in each subject, once you prepare 75% of the syllabus in each group, you are eligible to write mock test paper. Go and write mock test paper. That is what real mindset is tested. 100% syllabus. Chapter wise, never write test. Because in ultimate exam, you are writing 100% syllabus test. Your mindset that is required for writing 100% syllabus test is completely different from writing a test chapter wise. Getting it? Mock test is always best. And you know what? We Shrestha going to conduct a mock test paper. We are going to give you a mock test examination in the month of March. We will give you papers in such a way you have never seen. Getting it? It will not be, it is not something like a copy paste from past exam, nothing. Our team will create a new question paper exclusively. It's Shrestha MTP. I will prove and I will challenge it. This MTP is whatever we are going to conduct is a benchmark MTP in the industry. Mark my words. Next up, coming to suppose, sir, I want to look for coaching at your institute. For example, what are the deliverables at Shrestha we get? Suppose if at all you are planning to take coaching with us, what are the deliverables? First delivery. We give 100% syllabus coverage of IC syllabus. 100%, everybody will say 100%. But go and compare their books first of all. Their books itself will not contain 100% content of IC book. The faculty books itself will not have 100% syllabus. Look at our books. We cover literally 100% of the ICI syllabus. Just a minute. Yes, sir. So look at the kind of material. For example, I will show you our materials. You can directly come back and see here. You can see this is our website. Rest of a CACM. This is our website. Here free resources are there. Inside this, you can see here. Okay, P1 advanced accounting. You see, for accounting, we have given concept book. You see the concept book, 290 pages. Crisp concept book. If you study this concept book thoroughly, believe me, guys, you are going to rock like anything. And one more thing, we are also making a color version of this book, which with much more, smart way, where you can revise, where you can use that book and revise the content in a much more productive way. Okay, just a minute. You can revise the book in a much more productive way. This particular color notes will be ready by February month, and a marathon class on the basis of colored notes will also be given in March. If you enroll with us, what benefit you are going to get is, first point, comprehensive coaching, 100% IC syllabus, and we also give you question bank. If you check the question bank also we have. You see here, question bank module 1. You see the question bank what we are covering. I will show you the question banks also. We cover IC illustrations 100% based on the latest IC study material. Test your knowledge questions which are there in the IC material latest. Theoretical questions, scenario based questions. Each chapter we give breakup like this. We are the only institute, I can proudly say, we are the only academy with respect to accounts, law, whatever taxation, audit, costing you take. We cover 100% solutions and questions from ICA book. Not only that, we also cover MTPs and RTPs questions also. These will also be covered in the classroom. These will also be given additionally. Like people are saying, like nowadays this batch is workout batch. For us, workout batches are free. We don't sell workout batches. Workout batches are free for us, for our students. Those who are enrolling into our course, they get ICA illustrations coverage, they get ICA T by K coverage, they get case based MCQs coverage. Most importantly, previous exam MTPs, RTPs workout, that is also free for our students. Getting it? So first, always, it's not how many problems you solve, how much conceptual command you have. If at all you're good at conceptual clarity, the kind of clarity that we give, nobody can give. And I'll show you, the course details also I'll show you. For example, this is the course which I'm talking about. You click on the CA intro. There is a course called subscription, group 1, group 2. I asked you to first take up one particular group and then prepare, right? For example, take group 1. Getting it? You see here, the faculty P1, Sai Babu sir is the faculty. You can see the demo videos here. You can see the demo videos here. I'm telling you guys, is one of the fantastic faculty and the finest faculty. Subramaniam sir for law, myself for income tax. Getting it? I am going to start new income tax book based upon new income tax material. I'll show you my income tax material as well to you. There is a new material which I am preparing. Just a minute. I'll show you right now. It's about to finalize. Another 5 days, this material will be finalized. Yes, I am showing you. Just a minute. Hold on to it. Just, yeah. This is going to be the income tax material. You see this, how beautiful this book is. How beautiful this income tax book. You see this. Entirely color book, less than 300 pages. We are going to make this material less than 300 pages without compromising a single concept from ISA. Everything we are covering, and we are simplifying it like anything. We are using artificial intelligence tools, and of course, we are applying our intelligence and then making this book, color book. You are going to get a fantastic income tax book. You see, entire book is ready. I just have to highlight the keywords, all that. That alone is pending. Another 3-4 days, I'll be completing this. Okay. Then coming to the GST also is going to be same. By the way, GST is also going to be same. And coming to, if at all you're looking for CA into group 2, for example, if at all you're looking for CA into group 2, in group 2 also you see Ganesh Bharadwaj sir, everyone knows about him already. Entire with respect to group 2, all the classes are fully uploaded, whereas group 1 law is fully uploaded. For example, you take group 1, it is fully uploaded. Law accounts almost 60 hours uploaded, another 90 hours is pending, which will be uploading by January 2025 itself. Tax, income tax and GST, new recordings based on new finance act, based on new ICA study material, which is going to be uploaded by Jan 25. Getting it? Remember, ICA itself has released books in December month. November ending or December month only, ICA has released the book. Getting it? So based upon that new material we are developing, and we are going to complete the classes by Jan 25th or maybe Jan ending. Complete group 1 class. Not just that, you know, we will give you timetable. We will give you timetable also. I will show you the timetable too. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Yes, this is actually group 1 timetable, which is actually a 90 days schedule. What is the logic behind 90 days? I'll come back to it later. If at all you enroll with us for classes, don't enroll 90 days at a time. We have something called subscription model. This you see, you just have to enroll for 31 days. And if you enroll like this 2 times, one time 31 days, nothing but 1 month you buy. Another time, same group you buy. Third month, we will give you free. So which means you will get 3 months access, 1.8 you can watch the class on mobile as well as laptop, getting it one at a time, but 2 devices you can use. And 5,000 rupees is what the amount that you have to pay for group 2 classes for particular month. Second month you buy another 5,000, 10,000. Third month is free. We will give you 3 months class access. Within this 3 months, what you have to do, that is also mentioned here. What you have to do within 3 months, we have given you the timetable. For example, day 1, the moment you, whenever you purchase, that is called as day 1. You need to watch introduction, fundamentals, some 4 hours you need to watch classes, totally 6 videos were there. Then costing you need to watch on day 1, 3 hours, 3 videos, 3 hours you need to watch 2 videos, means per day 7 hours you need to watch. Like this, day 1, day 2, day 3, the moment on which you enroll, the day on which you enroll is called day 1. Like this, we will give you group 2 schedules only for hardly, I can say, you know uh, 75 days only. It's hardly 80 days only. Not even 80. Yeah, exactly 80 days only the group 2 schedule is. So you are getting 93 days validity, 31 days and 31 days and free 31 days. You are getting 93 days classes, but schedules only for 80 days. Within 80 days, all the classes will be completed, watching classes. You need not apply. You don't have to stress anything. Just to follow the schedule, watch the classes as per the schedule given. Remember, 90% success in CA inter exam. If at all you're going for coaching mode of preparation, 90% of the success depends upon watching the classes productively. You must watch the classes at standard speed. That is most important thing. Don't hurry up and finish the classes. First listen to the classes at standard speed. You absorb better, you retain better. When you listen to the classes at standard speed, you retain longer period. If you watch at higher speed, no, retention levels will affect. You understand, but retention level will affect badly. Revision takes lots of time. So listen to the classes at standard speed. Like this, we are giving you schedule for group 1, we are giving group 2 schedule. Schedule for group 1, it is ready for almost 40 days. Remaining 45-50 days schedule will be ready within this month itself. You need not worry. You just start. You just suppose you want to start group 1. Take group 1 course, enroll group 1, 31 days package. You follow the schedule. By the time you complete 30 days schedule, you will get another 30 days schedule. By the time you complete this, of course, by January month end itself, entire group 1 schedule will be ready. You need not worry. So you know, the long story short, we will give you comprehensive coaching. You know, already I have spoken about faculty, and I told you regarding timetable. It is like a school. We run academy like a school. You are a student, you are a school student. I consider all my students as school level students. I consider them that, like, they can't think on their own. I don't want to give them that stress. We will give you 100% content. You just have to follow the timetable. You make use of our coaching, you make use of our faculty, where they will give you instant doubts clarification, all that on Telegram. You will get Telegram numbers of the faculty, phone numbers of the faculty the moment you enroll. In the mail itself you will get, and we will give you timetable. And I told you, right, for a group subscription model, if you buy 2 months, 1 month is free. Getting it? And there is something called 3/4 preparation strategy, which we always tell. For this only, we have launched something called smart course. There is something called smart course. I showed you right now subscription course at 31 days. There is another course called smart course, where entire group 2 months validity will be there. 62 days validity will be there. You will get 2 months all the videos. But you need not watch all the videos. You have to watch only 3/4 syllabus. Timetable for smart course students will be given accordingly. You know what is 3/4 preparation strategy? What is smart course? I firmly believe, just a minute. I firmly believe you need not study 100% of the syllabus in order to qualify. If you write 75 to 80 marks of the paper, it is easy for you to get 50 plus. Evidences were there in our result sheets itself. Look at our results of many students who continuously praise our 3/4 strategy. Look at our goodwill. Look at the kind of result that we show every attempt. You are getting to know about SHRESTA because of the goodwill that we have. So 3/4 strategy, what I firmly believe is, it is, instead of studying 100% moderately, study 75% excellent, and go and write exams. 75 marks of the paper only you read, not 100. You end up scoring 55 plus. That is what 3/4 preparation strategy. That is what smart course is exactly dealing. What is smart course? You open smart course related details. You will understand here itself what is smart course. For example, here it is there, right? CA intro. For example, courses, CA intro. Here you see smart course is there. Okay. Here you see group 1 smart course, 62 days. Here we have given you entire what is actually a smart course. Here there is a video. So this video will clearly explain you. Actually, that video we did for January attempt students. Same concept can be applied for May, but a new video on smart course for May attempt, we will do it very soon. Getting it? That's it. The point is very simple. If you enroll with us right from the day on which you join, we will give you full classes. We will give you schedule. Don't watch as per your choice. Please, please, kindly, I'm requesting you. Taking one group, randomly picking one chapter and watching the class. Never do that. Start from scratch. Start from scratch. Getting it? Think as if you're a fresher. The moment you're coming to Sreshta, I always tell my students, imagine you are a fresher, you're not a repeater. You are a fresher. First time you're going to write in the May. That is what I assume for my all, I mean, of all our students. Getting it? And so we take up the classes also. We don't hurry up. We don't believe that you're a repeater. We assume even a foundation student or a direct entry student, even if they come and listen with us with zero knowledge, they can understand the subject. In such a way our classes are designed, in such a way our materials are designed. Getting it? I showed you, tax material, same way audit material also, new material is there. So complete materials we are giving you, everything. By the way, the prices which I showed is only for the classes. Books you may have to buy separately. For example, if you go to CA Interno, here it is there, group 1 full set. You see, in group 1 you will get totally 9 books. Okay, P1, only for accounting, three books were there. Nothing but one is concept book, two are question banks. And law, we have one concept book, complete law, and question bank. Taxation, one color concept book and question bank. And GST, one color concept book and question bank. Full entire group one book set is 3,150. This is including GST, this is including courier, this is including packing cost. Getting it? And same way, books CA group 2 also. In group 2, we have totally 8 books. Auditing alone is the color book. But remember, I told you for all the subjects, we are going to make color books by February or March. And based on the color books, we are going to take up the revision classes also. We will give you comprehensive coaching. We will cover question banks in the classroom. We give you timetable. We give you mock tests. We do revision videos for you. We provide you all time important questions, expected questions. Simple. One stop solution. This is going to be a one stop solution. You need not look for any other resource, any other faculty, any other YouTube video, any Telegram group. You are being covered in 100%, 360 degrees dimension. We give you proper resource. Just trust in our academy, trust in our process. I know, believe in the process. You will see the point. You will see the same in the exam performance. You will witness it in the result also. So this is what entire May 25 related preparation strategy. This is just a basic strategy overview. I will come up with a detailed strategy overview, all that. Remember, you are having totally 4 months of time, which is equal to 100 days according to me. 5 days in a month, leave it off. 20 100 days multiplied by every day, I consider 10 hours only you are productive. 1,000 hours time you have. Both the group enough time you have. Technically speaking, for both the group enough time. But don't start both the groups at a time. Take up one group, finish that one group, three-fourth syllabus at least. Get a confidence that yes, I'm ready to write and qualify. Once you get that confidence, then start preparing other group depending upon the time available. Time to time, depending upon the students messages, interaction with the students, time to time I will come up and give you some strategies, revised strategies, all that. That's it. I spoke about the faculty, I spoke about the coaching, I spoke about the material, I spoke about what we are going to give you, I spoke about revision classes, and what are the 5 important things that you have to decide. Those of you who skipped and came to till the last directly, I request you, CA Inter May attempt student, if at all you are, watch throughout the video once again. I have given you complete strategy. That's it. Okay. Do not fall for any sort of a test series, whatever. Never. Test series will never apply. Test series will never work. I'm telling you guys. Enough evidence I've shown. Tell me if the entire industry is talking about test series and I'm the only one not talking about test series, means understand. Reality, truth will always prevail. Getting it? So I am not worried of anybody else. I am only worried of telling you the truth, what exactly works for you. That's it. Pesticide is not a wonderful product, but the point is, it is only helpful to those students who are really good at concepts. Those who are not yet good at conceptual part, chasing exam will not work. That's it. Okay. All the very best. Do well. Select wisely the coaching or self preparation, whatever it is. Hmm? Any queries, put it as a comment below this video. I will qualify. I will be happy to qualify. I will be happy to clarify all that. Okay. That's it.